Anas narrated from the Apostle, peace be upon him, about the major sins he, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, observed: associating anyone with Allah, disobedience to parents, killing a person, and false utterance. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr. A man came to the Prophet, peace be upon him, asking his permission to take part in jihad. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked him, "Are your parents alive?" He replied in the affirmative. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said to him, "Then exert yourself in their service."